Evening everyone. My name is Dr. Deepika Tapadia. I am the course coordinator of corporate accounting. This is a 4-credit core course. The main objective of this course is to familiarize the student with the basic technique of preparing and presenting the corporate accounts for users of accounting information. The main course outcome means what the student will get to learn after the completion of this particular course. So we have 5 course outcome out of this 15 unit. Course outcome 1, it enable the student to understand the features of shares. What are the features of shares? What are different shares? How we can issue the shares? Next, course outcome 2, student will be able to understand about the concept of issue and redemption of shares and debenture. Course outcome 3, student will be able to understand and compute the financial account of the company. Next, student will be able to compute the concept of valuation of goodwill and shares, and it will help in student will be able to explain and illustrate the concept of internal reconstruction and liquidation of company. So with the help of this course, by studying this course, student will be able to understand and gain these many knowledge in corporate accounting. Next, LMS. Basically, we have 4 quadrant. Quadrant number 1, that is e-tutorial. E-tutorial, it includes introductory videos of the course content, videos, audios of each unit of the syllabus. Quadrant 2, e-content, it contains self-instrumental material, e-books, web resources, research papers, journals, and other reference material. Quadrant 3, it is the discussion forum for raising of doubts and clarifying them on a near real-time basis. Different topic on emerging issues will be uploaded from time to time, and student will participate in discussion. Quadrant 4, it is related with the assessment. Assessment is done in quadrant 4. We have made the assessment into 3 categories. First is multiple choice, second is short answer question, and the third one is long answer question. This is your 4 quadrant in LMS. Next, the relevance of this course. Corporate accounting is very much important for the student, for the organization. Corporate accounting basically refers to the process of maintaining financial record and preparing financial statement for corporation operating in country as required by Company Act 2013. The main objective of corporate accounting is to assure that the company complies with statutory and regulatory requirement, while also provide accurate and reliable financial information to the stakeholders such as shareholders, creditors, regulatory bodies, etc. Corporate accounting is considered as a very special branch of accounting which deals with accounting of the companies. Companies are required to maintain various books of account such as cash book, journal, ledger, and additional books like financial statement, which consist of trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet, cash flow statement. This financial statement must be prepared in accordance with the generally accepted accounting principle. These are the principle and norm. Based on these principle, accounting statement is prepared, and this is subscribed by Institution of Chartered Accountant of India. Corporate accounting in India is a complex process that required thorough understanding of accounting principle, laws, regulations, requirement. Basically, companies rely on qualified chartered accountant or accounting firm to manage their accounting functions and assure the compliance, and this subject helps in that. Basically, what do you mean by corporate accounting? It refers to the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and analyzing financial transaction of the company or corporation. The main objective of this corporate accounting subject is to provide accurate and timely information that helps company management and makes informed decision based on the regulatory requirement. The key task involved in corporate accounting is basically bookkeeping, which involves recording the financial transactions, sales, purchase, receipt, payment, and preparing the financial statement like income statement and balance sheet. The main importance why we are studying corporate accounting, the main importance is that accounting, it is an essential activity of corporate entity. As we all know, the main purpose is to analyze the financial position and predict the future business decision. The activities which is important to corporate accounting is basically why we are studying this, the importance, the relevance of this course, compliance with numerous statutory and regulatory requirements related to accounting, tax, financial reporting. It is necessary. Corporate accounting assures that the company compile with these requirements and provide accurate financial information to stakeholders. Corporate accounting helps in the decision-making process by providing relevant financial information that helps management make informed decision about investment, financing, pricing, and resource allocation. Corporate accounting also helps in building investors' confidence and attracting the investors through accurate and timely financial reporting. Next, corporate accounting helps in risk management by helping the company to identify and manage the risk such as credit risk, market risk, liquidity risk. Corporate accounting initiates accountability by providing mechanism for companies to be accountable to stakeholders such as shareholders, creditors, regulatory body. It basically provides financial data that makes performance evaluation possible through companies and makes necessary adjustment to improve efficiency and profitability. So we all know corporate accounting is crucial for effective managing the company's financial resource. It assures compliance with legal and regulatory requirement and building trust, shareholders' trust and confidence. So we can say corporate accounting is very much important for the organization. Every student should know the overall concept and regulations, everything about corporate accounting to become a good chartered accountant, to become a good accountant. And basically in this syllabus we covers various important points of corporate accounting like accounting principles, concepts and conventions, that is GAP, generally accepted accounting principles. In this we have divided into two parts, concepts and conventions. We have various concepts, that is we have different concepts in accounting, that is we have various concepts in accounting, that is business entity concept, dual aspect concept, cost concept, accounting period concept. There are various concepts based on which accountant work. Next is conventions. Various conventions are there, consistency conventions, full disclosure, materiality, conservatism. These are the conventions which we will study in this particular course. Next, what do you mean by equity shares? What do you mean by preference shares? How equity shares are issued to the public and how to issue preference share. The practical aspect we will discuss, we will study in this course. Next, issue of right shares, buyback of shares, the concept of right share, how right shares are issued, either it is issued to the public or the already existing employees, and buyback of shares, the concept of buyback of shares. Next, redemption of shares, equity shares, preference shares, the redemption part we will discuss. Next, issue of debenture, how to issue the debenture, redemption of debenture. What do you mean by debenture? What is the basic difference between shares and debentures? Acquisition of the business, pre and post incorporation profit, final account of the company, disposable of profit, capitalization of profit, issue of bonus share, meaning and type of the goodwill. What do you mean by goodwill? What are the different type of the goodwill? What are the various methods to evaluate the goodwill? There are various methods to evaluate the goodwill. Then what are these methods? That method we will discuss. Valuation of shares. What do you mean by share? How to evaluate, how to valuation is done of the shares, and what are the different methods to evaluate the shares. Next, internal reconstruction of the company, that we will discuss next. And very important, liquidation of the company, how the company is liquidated, what are the method in which way we liquidate the company. So the practical aspect of this we will discuss, we will study. So student will get to learn very important point, very important concept, that is corporate accounting, very important course. The crux of this course, student will get to know many things about corporate accounting. This is a very important course, and this helps the student to become a good accountant, a good chartered accountant by studying this course. Next, processes we have. Pedagogical processes is live classes, assignment, quiz, FAQs, clarification on general misconception. Next, additional activities. Additional activities we have master classes, lectures by industrial expert, professional, case studies. Next, there are some books like S.N. Maheshwari, Advanced Accounting, R.L. Gupta, Advanced Accounting. So this is book student can refer for further study. Thank you so much.